pumpkin out of toilet paper roll, a couple old shirts, and paper bag. Either a paper bag that's used, or you can use sandwich paper bags, whatever. All right, so first of all, we have to cut our material. Usually, you want it, I'm gonna just go up the sides and cut. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna be part of the pumpkin. Just has to be square, or as square as you can get it. Might be able to get 2 pumpkins out of this shirt. This is probably one of the easiest projects to make for the fall. All right, put that one aside, and this is our t-shirt part that we're gonna use. All right, you put your toilet paper roll in the center, and you start shoving the material down the center of the toilet paper. You can get it as tight as you want. Because this is a stretchy knit, sometimes just using a regular knit. So there's our pumpkin. Now what we're gonna do is take a piece of paper bag to make a stem. You could make a stem out of a paper bag, or if you want to cut a branch, use a piece of an old branch for it. Otherwise, you're gonna take your paper bag and you're gonna crumple it up, twist it, so it kind of looks like a stem. Stick it into the pumpkin. Now, this is an old shirt. We're gonna just make a little leaf out of the shirt and tie it around the stem of the pumpkin. As soon as I find where I get my scissors, I'm gonna cut the bottom off, and then I'm just gonna cut, maybe about an inch and a quarter. Now, depending on how long you want your stem to be, just tie it. I'm gonna try to get as much green as I can use here. I'm gonna cut the other selvage off because we don't want that to show. There. Now, if you want something else on there, maybe something with more green in it, or, you know, to me that doesn't look too bad. There's our pumpkin. How easy was that?
Okay, now I'm gonna try doing this, and you want the logo to be inside. I already have everything cut out. You need a green shirt and a paper bag. So now we're gonna fold this in part by part. Fold this part in. Fold this part in. And fold this part in. And now, from the remainings of your plastic bag here, you're gonna crinkle it up and just keep rolling it up, and once you got it rolled up, you're gonna turn it like that. And then you got this top. Now we are gonna take a green shirt, tie it around there, and this is our pumpkin. So I'm Nick, and that was Nancy, and thank you guys for watching the video. Come back for next episode next week.